Let me show you how to tie rope zigzag gele, celebrant style. Let's get started. My name is Dead Beauty. I based in United Kingdom, London. In case you want to book me for your event, I'm available to travel. Go to my Instagram. My Instagram name is Dead Beauty. Then you will see all my job there. I do photo shoot, I do makeup. This makeup was done by me. I give it to you the way you want it. Natural makeup, loud makeup, in between makeup. We do the Edo traditional bead bridal hair okuku as well. So this style is called rope zigzag. So just focus your eye, and this particular zigzag we are going to place the zigzag at the side zigzag rope side, because every time we always do the middle, so we decide to do the side. For you to know the gauge of the side, use your eyebrows where the eyebrows start, then your zigzag, make sure your zigzag, place it there. Okay, this is my beautiful auntie. She's here for her birthday photo shoot. Yes, she's a very nice woman. I know her since I moved to UK. She's so helpful, and she and her daughter, she always give me her daughter to do modern for me on my YouTube page, Facebook, YouTube channel. So I am so happy to have her on my studio today. She's here for a photo shoot. This is her third outfit, because she do about 3 outfits that day. In case you want to have your birthday photo shoot as well, we do photo shoot, all kind of photo shoot, children photo shoot, husband and wife birthday photo shoot. Go to my Instagram. So I'm available to travel as well. So I decided to give her this customized style, because anything like this, we call it customized. You understand? That rope I'm using there, that one is called, it's ashoke. Then I give to tailor to pieces it to, then rope, then turn it to rope. Then what we are just doing, we are just creating the zigzag. After we manage to create the front zigzag, they will now use the May ashoke to create the top, because this my beautiful auntie, she like big style. Because anybody that like big style, you maybe by the time you use her material, her ashoke, to create the base, then you will not have enough ashoke to create the top. So that is the reason we always customize this zigzag for our celebrant having photo shoot, or celebrating birthday, celebrating any celebrant. So we just come up with this customized. So what I am doing now, I'm just taking it round until the rope end. Then that is it, guys. So sorry, I tell her to help me to hold some parts to secure. You know, anything customized, like you are adding ashoke together, is a little bit challenge, but it's okay, it's fine, because we cannot come up with one style. So that is the reason I like difficult style. So difficult style, I don't like simple style. I like difficult styles, because I have on hand now, like 2 brides, they forward the picture of the type of gele they want. So I'll go and practice for me to give it to them the way they want it. Okay, that is it. Now I'm using a fabric now, this black fabric. So I placed it. You create as many plates you can. Create like 5 to 6 plates. Place it on top of where the zigzag ends. As you can see, we already have the zigzag. Then let your measurement be 30, 70. So the shorter part will be 30. The longer part is the 30. Then you beg her to hold that part for you. So then you cross it at the back. Make sure the shorter part go up, the longer part will go down. Okay, so you take her to hold. Tell her to hold the smaller part for you. So now we are going to create the top, a double side fan. Now we are creating the top double side fan. So because it's a double layer gele, because we already use it, so we have to be careful in that part, otherwise everything will just pull up. So you take 3 plates and break it down. If she don't like big one, you can take up to 6 plates, but she said she like big. So you take 3 plates, you bring it down. You tell her to hold. This style is very difficult. It's easy, but that particular date was very easy for me because she cooperates. Because most of the bride and celebrant, if you tell them to hold some parts, they don't know how to hold it proper for you. Because this style, somebody must hold that part for you, because that is how you can manage to create that style. So the reason I did not show you the back, our zip was still open, the back side. So don't worry, what we are doing there, we just cover the back and use a pin to secure, to cover it. So right now we are creating the top. So what you do, you take small at the side, then when you come to the middle, you cut big. As you can see, you cut big. The side small, the middle big. Side small, middle big. Side small. That is how you will. That is the only way to achieve this style, my people. So I wanted to put music on top this video, but I know many of you miss my voice. It's not easy to explain. No, I just, hopefully you will understand my explanation. That is the reason most time I normally put music, but sometimes I know that the system will still need my voice, or this my voice is original. No filter. So what we are now doing, this time, anytime you tie this tie, you must sweat. So I have, so I always say it on my platform that I am still learning. So in case, so we are still learning this gele, anything gele, makeup, you can't know it all. New upgrade come out every time. So that is the reason we always take upgrade class. So I'm just trying to set one side, then I will move to the other part. So you take your time. Make sure don't be in a rush. Take your time to enrich it. So she was telling me that the gele is already arranged. Me that is tying it, I know that for my mind, this gele, I need to arrange it, and I need to give her the type of height that she like. So I don't want to fold small plating. By the time you take small plating, you will reduce the height. So I'm just trying to give her that big height. So my people, in case you're based in London, UK, book me for your event. And in case you are there, you are a woman, you don't have any handwork, you can learn all these skills, all this gele. Handwork pays a lot. Handwork, especially this our generation. Anything beauty, anything food. You will not regret. Learn something like this hairstyle. If I want to tie it, it's £150. Only the hair. Only the Headwrap. With makeup is £250. So, for example, most people will say their friend will do their makeup, or they will do their makeup because they want to reduce the price, or or they don't know you do the two. They call you for just the gele. Only just this gele is £150. £150. So that is the reason. It's very good. You have extra income. Okay. So now here is the back. I even forget that this her particular dress is not the one the zip open, because she's changed like 3 times. Okay, now we are going to cover the back. Then you cover it like this, very easy. Then you use pin to secure. Use pin to secure the part that needs to be secure. So if you be a woman over there, just try your best. Learn one or two things, especially the area of beauty. Don't think many people are doing it in your area, in your city. Here in London, we have more than 100 makeup artists, and we still get our customer because we have more than 100 makeup artists. We have more than 50 Gele artists, stylists. So your customer is your customer. You do your best, go for upgrade class, continue to practice. Like this one particular style I want to practice now because I already charge them. They agree to pay. Then I will give them what they want. So it's just what you need is practice. So what I am doing now, I'm trying to set. Yes, so this is the final. Please don't forget to drop your comment. If you drop your comment, you are giving me hope now. Yes, so she is ready for her pictures. She is ready. Oh my God, that is the final. Yes, so that is my number over there. Call me. Go to my Instagram. You will see all my work is there. Patronize me, oh. As you do so, your pocket will never run dry. This auntie, if you see the gift where she buy for me, she buy me one correct bag. I am super excited because when she come for her photo shoot, I say, Auntie, I like your bag. She just surprised me. She just ordered for the bag, then they just deliver it to her and she bring it. I'm so happy. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Yes, so once again, my name is Deg Beauty. I'm based in UK, London. Thank you. Bye.
That is why we've got Deg Beauty right here. Don't give it that touch, don't give it that don't give it that feeling, don't make you feel lovely. Yeah.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deg Beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.